Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Short Please Recipes. Today it's a very special video. I'm going to show you how I'm making my spice powder. So the reason why I'm doing this is here I'm living in Canada and I have lots of family and friends who loves to eat my food, but sometimes when they're eating they already, as you know, they always use fork and spoon, so they cannot really make separate this clove and garlic as these cinnamon sticks, and sometimes I always add this what is this, lemongrass sticks. So when they eat these things, like, I can see they are trying to find like little things they take out and they say, oh, what is this like? So I feel a little uneasy also, so I'm just worried, okay, okay, I'm going to change the way I'm cooking. So what I did, I grind everything into a fine powder. So I will make separate fish curry, pork curry and chicken curry. So I know when they are eating, it's a very smooth sailing. I don't have to worry about anything thinking they are going to find little treasures when they are eating. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing. So usually when I'm cooking, other than adding a little bit of extra for extra flavor, some ginger and garlic, I don't have to add anything. But sometimes I even don't add that one because I already added everything into a fine powder, and it's also much more healthier than we are throwing those things away. So let's see how I'm doing it. So I'm putting three little videos separately. I'm putting because so that you don't get confused: fish curry, pork curry and chicken curry. So let's see how I'm doing it. Just went to groceries and bought all the spices I need for my spice ground. I let my coriander and lemongrass and also my curry leaves to air dry for a few days before I start grinding. Tamarind powder. This is my delicious fish curry powder all in one. You don't have to add even a piece of onion here. So I added extra garlic and ginger for the fish curry powder always, and coconut powder is added, and tamarind powder is added. So almost everything is added at the end. You see, if you do feel like salt is not enough, then you may add some salt. So don't forget this lemon pepper seasoning which I add, also salt added. So keep the salt as the last thing in your recipe. If you think you need a little more sourness, the taste, you may add some tomato. So other than that, just add a little bit of water. You don't have to add milk powder, curry leaves, separate 101 spices. No, all in one spice. Give it a try. Store in airtight container, and it lasts for you around 4 5 months. You can put in airtight container, put in the fridge. It stays for around 4 months like that, no problem, because it doesn't have to be used within a month. Don't tell me the stores which they're hanging, they're just finishing it within a month. No, there's some of them they're staying for years there. So don't worry, you can have it in your fridge stored for 4 5 months, no problem. So every year maybe only twice or twice, maybe the maximum, or 3 times I'm doing this curry powders, and stays with me in the fridge for 4 5 months without any problem. You, whoever living in abroad who love to eat curry and rice, so like this is the easiest way that you can do all in one. You don't have to add nothing, everything is there. Just add some water and you are good to make your curry. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Thank you so much. If you think one more thing, if you think you don't want to add cashew nut and almond, you always can omit it, and you can add some dhal or corn. By adding that, it's give a little bit of thickness and also a different unique flavor to your curry. So that's it from me now. Thank you so much. Hit the bell icon, the subscribe button somewhere on here.